Creating consistent and realistic AI characters is now easier than ever with Hailuo AI, an innovative tool designed for artists, designers, and storytellers. Hailuo AI specializes in crafting characters with consistent features across various poses and expressions, perfect for animation, gaming, and creative projects. Here's a step-by-step guide to mastering this tool. Step 1. Sign up for Hailuo AI. Visit the Hailuo AI website and create a free account. Once registered, you'll gain access to its advanced character generation features tailored for realism and consistency. Step 2. Define your character's concept. Before diving in, outline your character's details. Think about their role, appearance, and personality traits. This helps you provide clear input to the AI, ensuring accurate and coherent results. Step 3. Input your character details. In Hailuo AI, start by entering the specifics of your character, such as gender, age, hairstyle, clothing, and unique features. You can also upload reference images or sketches to guide the AI in visualizing your concept. Step 4. Generate initial models. Click the Generate button to create the first draft of your character. Hailuo AI will present multiple options based on your input, each showcasing realistic features and consistent details. Step 5. Export your character. Once satisfied, export your character in high-quality formats compatible with animation software, games, or storyboards. With Hailuo AI, creating realistic and consistent characters is straightforward and powerful. Dive in today and transform your creative ideas into stunning AI-driven realities. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching.